Hi everybody. Today we're gonna learn about birds. Birds. See? Birds. Page. Go to the page. Toucan. Robin. That's the robin. Zebra finch. Swallowtail. Magpie. The hoopoe. The sparrow. The peacock. Those were the passerine birds. Going to passerine bird number 2. Here's cuckoo, kingfisher, blue jay. There's a crow, nightingale, woodpecker, myna, bulbul, cardinal. Okay, now we're at the birds of prey and flightless birds. Birds of prey means hunting birds, and flightless birds means birds that can't fly. So there's an owl, eagle, kite, falcon, vulture, hawk, penguin. So that's a penguin. And here's a emu, a rhea, ostrich, kiwi. Okay, now we're at the seabirds and shorebirds. Seabirds means birds that are from the sea, and shorebirds I do not know. Here is the heron, stork, pelican, ibis, seagull. You see seagull. The spoonbill, flamingo, a puffin. Okay, next page. The poultry birds and game birds. We got the dove. We can't say that. Hen, pigeon, but fantail, quail, partridge, and turkey. The parrots. You got the cocktail, parrot, the macaw. Who else do we got here? Yes, the cockatoo and lorikeet, the budgie, whatever it is. And finally, the waterfowls and the small birds. In the waterfowls, we got the muscovy duck, the duck, swan, and a goose. And now in the small birds, we got canary, kookaburra, you can't say that, weaver bird, and a hummingbird.
Love you guys.
Okay, that's the end of the birds book. And I guess that is it. Which one is your favorite? It could be any. Okay, birds done. I'll see you in the next episode.